send your first message, there's one page worth setting up first. Org Settings. This is where you tell Formtabulous who you are, your organization's name, address, and how your messages sign off. Let's walk through it. We'll start with the basics. Your organization's name. This shows up in your message previews and anywhere your identity needs to appear. Next, your address. Type it in, and Formtabulous automatically looks it up and verifies it for you. You'll see a green check mark once it's confirmed. This is really just to confirm your time zone, so your messages and any scheduled sends line up correctly with your local time. Every message you send needs a footer. Most email providers require one, and it's just good practice. You get a simple text editor here: bold, italic, alignment, and links, so it looks clean no matter what email client someone's using. Keep it simple. Your organization's name and location is usually enough. One thing you don't need to add yourself: an unsubscribe link. Formtabulous adds that automatically to every message, because that's actually a legal requirement, not just good practice. One less thing for you to worry about. By default, replies don't come back to your personal inbox, but if you want people to be able to just hit reply and reach you directly, turn this on. You can confirm or change exactly which address those replies land in. Click Update, and you're done with the basics. A few other tabs live here too. Social media lets you add links to your organization's profiles and choose whether each one shows up in your email footer, your public page, or both. You paste in the link here, and it doesn't matter how messy or cryptic that link looks, because your recipients never actually see it. Formtabulous replaces it with the actual Facebook icon in your footer, something instantly recognizable that people already know how to click, instead of a raw web address nobody wants to read. And since it's just a small icon, not a full line of text, you can add several platforms: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever you use. And they'll all sit together in one neat, compact row at the bottom of your message, instead of stacking up a long list of separate links. Once you've added at least one social link, Formtabulous automatically reserves a spot for your social icons right at the bottom of your footer. You don't have to build that yourself. It just shows up once you've connected an account. Public page controls an optional public-facing profile for your organization. Your name, a short description, and a custom web address people can visit. Member directory lets you offer an opt-in directory your members can join, with control over what's visible and whether they can look each other up online. And Companion app lets you brand a mobile-friendly version of Formtabulous your members can install right on their phone, your own name, icon, and color scheme. That's Org Settings. A few minutes now saves confusion later, since everything you set up here carries through to every message you send.